Hi, this is Carolyn. Sorry, I am not available to answer your call personally. I will return your call at my earliest convenience, as soon as I get back from living life to the fullest.
Hey guys, how are you? Come on in. I'm Carolyn here in Atlanta, Georgia. I went to Dr. Golpa for my 65th birthday in 2013. That's when I got my perfect smile. As a matter of fact, it has helped me. I am now a cover girl on Girlfriend's Health Guide. How about that? When I wake up in the morning, I am ready for the day. According to my little sports watch, I get 7 to 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep every night. This is my vegan tofu scramble, homemade, and it's all organic, by the way. So I have hot water with raw organic honey and some lemon. I'll be 74 this year, so I think it has paid off. It is so important to keep it moving, particularly as we get older. Welcome to another Heartfill's hike. We are here at Chicopee Woods. At the Alatchie Nature Center in Gainesville, Georgia. We can see it's a little overcast. The rain has passed. And I'd like to welcome all of you again. Every year for my birthday, I try to do something that I have never done before. So for my 56th birthday, and I'm 74, I'll be 74 this year, I took the challenge to go on a hike. I'm a city girl, never did anything outdoors but walk from the house to the car basically. But I took the challenge and absolutely hiking changed my life. And I felt like if I had this experience and there's others out there who have never hiked before, particularly Black folks, African Americans, you know, I just have to share this experience for health, mental, social, just it's been all around, and you can't ask for anything more for all of the benefits that you get from just being out in nature. So let's hit it! Woo! Okay. This trail is approximately 5 miles long and it's rated easy to moderate. Halfway through is where we stop under the pavilion and have lunch. Yes, I think we'll take the green to the orange and then back around.
Okay. Following you. You sweeping back there, JB? He's sweeping.
I enjoy hiking in the outdoors so much that I could not keep it to myself, and I love sharing it with others. So Rhonda, I had been checking around and it was so expensive. Before I went to Dr. Golpa, I did my homework. I researched, I looked up the procedure, I also looked up the reviews, and I opted to have all of my teeth pulled, and it's called All on 4. And I knew he was who I wanted to go to, and I was not disappointed at all. As a matter of fact, Dr. Golpa and his staff went beyond my expectations. It was the best dental experience I have ever had in my life. we've already hiked at least, I'll say 3.5 miles, and we may have 1.5 miles to go. Today, I happen to have one of my homemade bean burgers, which was delicious, I might add, as well as my dessert, which was a vegan chocolate brownie, and it was delicious. Before I visited Dr. Golpa, it's not that there wasn't anything that I couldn't eat. It was more of what I was afraid to eat, because my 2 front teeth had gotten loose and they were beginning to shift around, and I was absolutely afraid that I'd bite into an apple and my 2 front teeth would be there. After visiting Dr. Golpa, that evening we went out to dinner, and I had an apple that I bit into and enjoyed. We just finished our nutritious lunch, and we've hydrated, and we're getting ready to finish up this trail. Okay, guys, you ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Let's go. I took control of my health, and as we're out here hiking today, I bring others along with me. It is so important to enjoy the outdoors. What I tell others is I looked at this as an investment in myself. So if you really want to improve your health, improve your self-confidence, and really be able to smile without reservation, Dr. Golpa is who you should see. When you take control of your health, you are truly unstoppable. I don't take it easy, I don't take it slow. It is my life's mission to keep it moving, to stay healthy, so I can continue to love life and live life to the fullest.